Is it ready to go?
Yeah.
Should I go get the tree?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, all fixed?
Our first tree. It's a nice little tree.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Cute tree?
No.
Yeah, I think it's a cute tree.
Yeah.
Are you helping me get it straight?
Yeah.
Do you think it's straight now, or do you think it needs to be straighter? Miss Rachel.
No, I don't.
I mean.
Julia, somebody always helps add one, you know?
I cut the top. I cut the top. I cut the top.
Actually, okay. You
Go
want to go
ahead,
around?
do whatever you think.
Okay. Okay, thank you. I'll take it now.
Now, let's see what. Well, you guys, we have a few things that are next. We've never used this before. We have cranberries. These cranberries.
No, but you're kind of tacky.
Yeah. Wanna put this or garlic? You want to put one? You want to put it on the tree? Okay. Which one? You want to put this one on the tree? Okay. You want that? Which one, honey? On the tree? Okay, here we go. You ready?
That's your favorite, isn't it, Rach?
Really? Remember Rosenda? This is what Rosenda had her at her wedding. Can I help you? Come here. Right here.
That's
Okay.
nice, huh?
Well, we can do one. You want that one on? Okay. These hooks are a little bit big.
Do you need hooks for those, or do you just...
I could probably just put them on. You know, some of them might. I guess if we don't have to put hooks, we'd be better off without hooks, huh?
Yeah, you can get away with it.
Yeah. Better off without hooks. Oh, those look pretty. Oh, I like those ones.
Dana, you having a good time putting ornaments on the tray? Rachel, you having a good time putting ornaments on the tray?
Yeah. Wait, she's gonna help me. Come here, sweetie. Ready? See, this opens like this.
Huge. Would you say he's huge? Would you say this one's huge? You don't want to hang this one on the tree? No, you want to play with that one? Okay. Gotta be a little more gentle with it though.
Any place else where these little glass ones can go?
Yeah, I guess.
How's it over?
How you doing with the star? Oh, she did it.
She did it?
Yeah.
Wow, good.
Oh no, Rach, that's Dana put that up. Dana was
Can I show you guys
giving that a good effort.
This is David, your cousin David when he was just a baby. And that's Lisa, your cousin Lisa when she was a baby. Yeah, when she was just a baby.